Did you ever wonder what kind of mage was necromancing those zombies and skeletons that attack you at night? Well, now that mage can be you, with my newest infusion, the Necromance. Hello everyone, I am Super Cayman, and I'm back with another infusion. And this time, I'm gonna show you some of the code and explain the technical side of things, but not in a boring way. As I said, this infusion gives you the power to raise the dead, and you can infuse it using the altar. Place a shovel starting from iron tier in the center of the altar. Then place rotten flesh, bones, a bucket of cod, and some redstone on the outer pillars. And just like that, you get the power of a necromancer. But how does this work? Let's hop right into the code behind it. Here, we tell the game the name of the infusion. Here are all the items that can be infused. This is some stuff that Minecraft needs to have, but we end up not using it. Some of you might have noticed the infusions are actually custom enchantments. And because of that, Minecraft thinks it's gonna be found on the enchant table and stuff. So we have to add this. Here, we tell the game what slot the infusion works in. And finally, we get to the fun part. Here, we say when it's gonna activate. In this case, when the player hits a block. And here, we have what's gonna happen, which is summoning undead. In this case, zombies or skeletons, which will join our team so they don't attack us. And here, we say that it will only work if we have 300 mana. But that actually means 3 mana. We will talk about mana in a second though. After that, we do it 2 more times for a total of 3 undead. And then, we run a function. A function is like a selection of commands, and this one runs another function, but this time as the necromance entities that are on the block the player clicked. Inside that other function, we teleport them 1 block up since they're first summoned inside the ground. Then we give them helmets so they don't burn instantly, and then we give them this tag, Infusions Summon. This is important because we have an advancement which in data packs are used to detect a lot of things. In this case, if a player was hurt. And if one was, we run this other function which will first of all revoke the advancement, letting it detect again. Then we run as the thing that attacked the player and give it a tag so we can call back to it. After that, we damage the summons as the attacker, but it's just a little bit, so the summons get angry at the attacker. After that, we just remove the tag. Phew! That was kind of a lot, but now you should understand what will happen if I get hit by this husk when my summons are nearby, as well as how that's working behind the scenes. As I said before, this infusion uses 3 mana to summon the undead. This might sound like a lot of mana, but it's fine if you have the potion of mana, which on the last video I promised I'd show it to you, so here it is. The mana potion is actually made by infusing a glass bottle with redstone dust, an amethyst shard, and a candle. The mana potion regenerates 2 of your mana, but since it's a potion, it's a one-time use. What is not a one-time use though is you subscribing. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And for the next video, tell me if you want more of that code explanation in the comments. But for now, that's it from me. Bye bye!